Is it time to replace your old water heater? Or would you like to upgrade to a new high-performance tankless heater? Care One Professional Plumbing has the answers. We can help you select the right product for your home or business, and with current rebates up to $200 and federal tax credits up to $1,500, going green has never been so affordable. So call today to schedule an appointment for your customized tankless solution. Care One Professional Plumbing is a locally owned and operated company with 25 years experience in the plumbing industry. Our goal is to provide outstanding and affordable solutions for your home or business. Call today or visit us at careoneplumbing.com. Installing a tankless water heater can often require major modifications to existing water lines, gas lines, and vent piping. These modifications are required for proper operation of the heater, but can add significant cost to the project. That's where the experienced professionals at Care One Plumbing guide you with proper product selection, placement, and recommended upgrades. This way you get the most out of your new tankless water heater. Call today to take advantage of new tax rebates and stimulus programs. Care One Plumbing, providing quality care for your home or business.